What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I don't want to snake you too bad. I'm definitely tempted to do crazy clickbait with the homie's car. Not sure if I went through with it or not, but either way, yeah, that's the homie's car, so the homie Jeff. So that's not my car, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. He's getting exhaust installed today, so I'm gonna meet him over at Speedzone. It's been a minute since I actually seen him. He got a whole new car, as you can see. He was a homie who had one of the early 6th gen Ultimas, so he was an admin in the group with me as well. So definitely shout out to Jeff and congrats on the car. I know we've already talked about that, but yeah, so I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram down below so you can definitely check him out. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. But I am currently in the process of going back to stock, like I said. And no, I am not fully aired up. This is just back on the stock suspension. So yeah, this kind of hurts me to drive like this. I really want to just throw the stock wheels back on, but one of the tires actually needs to be replaced. It got like a lump in it, so I'm not putting those on just yet. And then the rest of the wheels I have is stuff that needs to be addressed with those, so these are staying on for now. I'm a little worried because I don't have much wear on these tires, and I'm worried that without having an alignment after having the suspension switched, it's going to cause an issue, but it shouldn't be too much. It'll be just a quick drive there and back. So, well, it's not as quick as it used to be, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. So I made it. This is a interesting drive. First off, my music's out, so it sounded horrible driving, and I kept angling even though I didn't need to. Feel like I was so high. Felt like I was in an SUV, honestly. But yeah, so we made it to Speedzone. About to go and see where everybody's at. Looks like they got a bunch of boxes covering this entrance, so yeah, let's go ahead and get in and take a look, check everybody out. Alright, so this is what the stock looking good here. Looking good up there. Definitely a dope car, and I think it's a great color. All right, look at that. He making me wanna consider getting one. I mean, yeah, it's a 330. It's definitely clean. It's definitely affordable for what I want. Let me know what you guys think. Also, make sure to follow him, his business as well. It does custom clothing. So yeah, hit him up on Instagram. Homie Jeff, definitely a good dude too. Good taste, as you can see.
I just don't like that dash that squeezes up in here.
Definitely feeling it. Oh, and he got this blacked out as well. Definitely something I would definitely do as well.
It doesn't give you more horsepower.
Alright.
That
is pretty clean.
That's pretty, bro.
Just installing this and the inlet pipe.
Yeah.
I felt a big difference already from that alone before I did anything else.
Happy.
Yeah.
Keys Motorsports.
And you were in the JB, which one?
JB Plus.
Nice.
What does that do?
It's the same thing. It's just, but you just turn it up. It turns the boost up a little bit.
Oh, you can't tune it for like
You
feel.
can't fully tune it up. But
Right now I'm doing the JB4 file right now as we're talking.
Okay. Alright, so abrupt ending here. We weren't able to get the exhaust installed. Unfortunately, the packaging that everything came in wasn't complete, so there were some pieces missing, so it's gonna have to come back at another time. So sucks, so I won't be able to get the exhaust done in this video, and by the time it's actually done I won't be able to make it here to record it. So I'm gonna put the video out, and next time I link up with him is when we'll kind of hear the exhaust. So definitely stay tuned for that. Like I said, make sure you hit the homie socials down below. His personal Instagram will be down below, as well as his business. So if you need any custom shirts or anything, you can hit him up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Before we end this video, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.